by addressing the children. Vanaja madam, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, teachers. And good morning, my dear children. What is day today? Why we are gathered here? Children's Day. You all know Children's Day? Why we are celebrating the Children's Day every year? Chacha Nehru. Why Chacha Nehru we are celebrating as the Children's Day? His birthday. So, in the remembrance of Chacha Nehru, we are celebrating the Children's Day. You are all good children?
Cake cutting ceremony.